I had a friend, I'm sorry. I
No,
had
no,
a
no. I was
friend.
going to ask if you want to add to that. Go
Oh,
ahead.
yeah. I had a friend that filed, but I also think about, I know the black people that I knew, we were always told, girl, you don't go file no chapter 13 or no chapter 11. That was always told. So we never even knew the benefits of what happened. So when she did it, I was like, wait, you did what? Right? Because I
Mhm.
was under that mindset. And she was like, yeah, girl, I had to go research for myself what was going to work for me and my family. And I mean, now she wind up benefiting from it. So I was thinking about when Pinky said I filed a chapter 13 and then I revoked it and then I
Mhm.
filed a chapter 11. Like, so it made me think, like, was there somebody there that really helped her understand the difference between the
Mhm.
two?
Mhm.
Did she not know all of those type of things? And then I also thought about when she said branding was her gig, right? So that was what she specialized in. And think about the branding, you putting yourself out there, you kind of bragging a little bit, and a good bragging about what you're doing and what you're acquiring, which was fine. But it made me think about, again, knowing who's on your team. Okay, if you can handle the branding and you boss at that, but who's handling this part, who's handling this part, and who's handling this part? And I think that she said it, she really didn't know. She didn't know anything about business.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm.
And the
At this.
good thing is, like, people don't realize when you think about a lot of these big corporations and these millionaires and people that have money, they at some point they filed bankruptcy, right?
Mhm.
They consolidated, they got rid of debt, whatever they did to be, and they're still successful. So I know it seems taboo. I know it seems like this bad thing, but she's not starting from fresh. She's starting from
Mhm.
experience. She's starting from knowledge. So if she did it before, she'll be able to do it again. And it does not stop you. People can still purchase after bankruptcy. Your credit still goes up after bankruptcy. So it's not, it's not a bad thing. It's not a horrible thing if it's something that you really need to do. But you just have to be smart about it. Like, you don't want to chronically, every
Mhm.
couple of years file bankruptcy. But if it's something that you need to do in the moment and it's going to help you in the long run, or it's going to help your business, I don't think it's a bad thing,
Right.
to find resources and tools. To me, that's one of those resources if it's something that you absolutely need to do because you're drowned in.
But what I'm saying is, we were taught it was. But
Yeah.
think about how white people do it all the time,
Yeah.
right? And they made money from it. And like you said, they were able to restructure.
Yeah.
So, one important, why this conversation is so important, right? So, like you said, somebody may need to do that. We got to move away from that taboo in our communities about how we were taught.
So I'm so glad that you, Queen, said that because I think that right after, while she's still having an active case open, she attempted to do just that, right? Here, Black people came and was like, see, whatever people were saying that was, aggravating her soul, which she felt so obligated to come out and say, just, just share her perspective on it, right?